So if you are a U.S. traveler, you do need to apply for an e-visa. The cost was $10. It was a very simple process. Please ensure you have your passport and also your passport photo. In addition to that, there's going to be some other information that you will need. I do have the application up on my computer screen, and I'm going to read off a few of the different things. Now, be also prepared to answer a few different type of questions, such as your religion. I'm going to go over a few things. So first and foremost, one of the things that stuck out to me was, let's find it here, visible identification marks. And yes, it is required. It does have an asterisk next to it. So besides your personal details, and like I said, your passport photo and also your actual passport, you'll also need to have your father's and mother's details: name, nationality, previous nationality, place of birth, country of birth as well. You'll also need to know the type of visa you are applying for, the places to be visited. If you are visiting various parts of India, you'll definitely need to know the different cities. You'll also need to know your hotel information. If you're staying at 4 different hotels, you want to make sure that you list that as well. Let's see. Countries visited in the last 10 years. You also want to have your reference name in India. So if you have a tour guide, a relative, whomever, you want to make sure that you list those details. A lot of people get confused on this question. Have you visited SAARC countries, except your own, in the last 3 years? SAARC. So make sure you're able to answer that. And then they're just going to ask you some basic information. Have you ever been arrested, prosecuted, convicted by court of law of any country? There's about 6 questions there. And that is pretty much it. I received it back in 2 days. It was granted. I actually have it here. Obviously, I have to post it here just for confidential reasons, but my visa was granted. If you have any questions about the process, if you get lost, confused, definitely comment below and I'll be sure to help you. Have a great day.